Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I created this slimline card. No coloring, no heat embossing whatsoever. This is going to be a fun and easy card. So the first stamp set that I'm bringing in is the black whole stamp set and then the Wait For Me. I'm also going to be using the Slimline Observation Deck die and the Rainbow Magic Slimline paper. So here are all the elements I'm bringing in that I've already die cut. I die cut the slimline on silver paper, glitter paper, and here is a black glossy cardstock that I have in my stash. And I chose a dark gray background for my panel for the back. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere my dark gray cardstock. And when I asked you on my last video what is a good ink pad to use for a background or a distress oxide background, a lot of you said this VersaFine black ink, and thank you so much to all of you who suggested that. Actually, the majority of you mentioned that, and also VersaClear. But I ordered VersaFine the very next day when I saw everybody's responses. I went on Amazon, and I just can't believe I've never tried this ink. Where have I been? Anyways, this ink is amazing, you guys. It is like dark and crisp, and I'm like, where have I been? And so I'm stamping my sentiments on a 1/2 inch strip there that I have in my scrap bin. And the sentiments I chose is there's no intelligent life down here, and it's too peoply on this planet. So some of you may or may not know I am a big fan of sci-fi or, ghost stuff. I like watching ghost shows. I also like watching UFO shows. I don't know why I'm intrigued with those types of things. I guess you could say I'm a believer, that there is life outside our planet. So if you're a believer or not, let me know in the comment section below. I think it would be a fun thing to read, to go back to see what if you guys believe or not. So you notice that I did put a whole bunch of adhesive on my gray cardstock there, and that's so I could just make my life easier. I don't really want to put glue on those little thin silver glitter paper there. So to make my life easier, especially when I'm insetting paper on a card, it's just, a time saver and also, less messier. And this is completely optional because you can always go back and use an eraser to take the adhesive off. But I think it just adds a really nice touch. It's really not too time consuming because they're all the same shapes. Like, they're pretty easy to distinguish. And so I went ahead and inset my black glossy cardstock there, and then I am adhering. Actually, I popped up those sentiments, and then I'm going to go ahead and decorate these with my white stars. I didn't pick a colorful star because I wanted it to stand out, so I chose white. I thought about yellow, but I was like, white would be good. And this would also make a great shaker card where you can put some foam tape behind that black glossy cardstock. If you don't have a glossy cardstock, actually I've had this for maybe 5 years now. I only have like one 12 by 12 sheet of this that I found in my stash. I need to research if any other companies sell a black glossy cardstock, but if you don't have it, it's okay to use, just plain black cardstock. But I thought it would be fun to use that so it could look like a spaceship or something. So this completes my process video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll give this a try. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, you can visit us on the links down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.